Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of cryptocurrency and specifically how Bitcoin is used. Bitcoin is a digital currency that is used for transactions. It's a decentralized system, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, it's maintained by a network of computers. To use Bitcoin, you need a digital wallet. This is where you store your Bitcoin and keep track of your transactions. Once you have a wallet, you can buy Bitcoin from an exchange. From there, you can use it to make purchases or send money to others. Bitcoin is gaining popularity as a way to make fast, secure, and anonymous transactions. It's also a great investment opportunity as its value has been steadily increasing over the years. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.